Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your photos using AI. So I'm going to use a tool called Ideogram. So you can just go to this website, ideogram.ai, and click on their Canvas feature. And then you will be able to upload any of your image and start editing. So I have my environment already set up. So I have uploaded a picture of Kohli in this. So let's say I want to make some edits to this picture. So first of all, I want to remove the chair that is here in the background. So the thing that I need to do is I'll just go to Magic Fill and I'll just select this. And I'll just give a command saying remove the chair. So this is the prompt that I'm giving and I'm just clicking Magic Fill. So in a couple of seconds, we should see an image which does not have a chair. You can see the chair has been replaced by another small tree that you can see. So I can just move this here and you can just compare the difference between both the images. And now let's say you want to change the entire background. So you don't like the background and you want to change the entire thing. So you can select all the area that you want to change and give it another command. So let me go to Magic Fill. As you can see, I have selected the entire background and I'm going to click on Next. So let us change the background to Eiffel Tower in Paris and let us see if we can get that output. So this is the prompt that I am giving. So change the background to Eiffel Tower in Paris and click on Magic Fill. As you can see, this is the new image that we got and you can just compare it with the old one as you can see. So this was the original image that we had and we were able to remove the chair and generate an image like this, and we were also able to change the background. So Ideogram is a great way to edit your photos, and let me do one final change where instead of a white shirt, let me change it to a black suit. So I have selected this area and I'm just asking it to change it to a black suit and let us see the output. So you can see this is the new output that we got and you can just compare it with this. So we have taken this original version of the photo and just by simply selecting the region and prompting it, we were able to change or edit the images. So this is one power of AI used in image editing. So you can try out Ideogram Canvas to edit your photos like this. Hope you enjoyed this video.